Hello friends, welcome to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today we are going to learn eco-friendly habits to help our planet.
Yay! I want to be a helper for our Mother Earth.
Yes. How does eco-friendly mean? What does eco-friendly mean?
Eco-friendly means by helping the Mother Earth by making good habits.
And good choices. So, the first one is
Saving energy.
yes. Turning off lights and electronics saves energy.
Save water.
Water is precious. Let us not waste it.
Reduce, reuse, recycle.
Yes. Reduce waste, reuse items, and recycle materials.
Help plants and animals.
Picking up litter and planting trees makes nature happy.
Food waste and composting.
Food waste can be turned into compost instead of going into the landfill.
The problem with plastic.
Yes, plastic takes hundreds of years to break down. We can reduce so how much we can use.
Smart transportation.
Walking, biking, or carpooling is good for the Mother Earth.
Eco-friendly in your school.
You can help at school too by recycling or reusing reusable lunch containers.
What small changes you can make to help the earth?
Yes, so each one of us has to decide that you have to start from your own.
I love turning off the lights and watering plants at home.
Yes, you are already an earth hero. Remember, every small action helps our planet feel happy and healthy. Thanks for learning how to be eco-friendly with us today. See you tomorrow for more fun learning.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our next video.
Yes, bye bye.
Bye bye.